2025, Manchester has become a global symbol of vibrant nightlife. By day, the city is known for its music heritage, football culture, and stunning architecture. But when the sun sets, a different Manchester comes alive. Dazzling, energetic, and irresistible. Walking down central streets such as Deansgate, Canal Street, or the Northern Quarter, you'll find rows of packed pubs, bars, and clubs. Neon lights, EDM beats, hip-hop rhythms, and the city's signature indie sounds fill the air. Fashionable young crowds, international tourists, and locals all blend together to create a colorful nighttime canvas. What makes Manchester nightlife in 2025 stand out is the perfect balance between tradition and modernity. Classic pubs with craft beers still preserve their charm, while glamorous rooftop bars and underground clubs attract world-class DJs. You can start your evening with a cocktail overlooking the city skyline and end it in a basement club bursting with lasers and dance until sunrise. A new trend in Manchester nightlife is the mix of party and culture. Beyond drinking and dancing, many venues now combine art exhibitions, fashion shows, and indie film screenings. This creative edge makes Manchester unique in Europe. It's not just about the party, but also about inspiration. Canal Street is still the beating heart of Manchester's LGBTQ+ scene. In 2025, it's brighter and more liberated than ever, with colorful parties and a welcoming atmosphere for everyone. When the clock strikes 3 a.m., the city doesn't slow down. It peaks. Streets are flooded with crowds, fast food joints stay open, and taxis line up to take revelers home. This is when Manchester reveals its true spirit. A city that never sleeps, where every moment feels unforgettable. Manchester nightlife in 2025 isn't just about partying. It's a cultural experience, part of the city's soul. If you love music, freedom, and endless nights, Manchester will capture your heart the very first time you step into its nightlife.